Good morning, friends. Today we are going to start remaining questions. So let us see problems. The first one, 34th question. A plane which passes through the point 3 to 0 and the line x minus 4 upon 1 equals y minus 7 upon 5 equals z minus 4 upon 4 is. So 4 options are given. Which is the true among 4 options? So we are observing required plane is given. So passing through the point and the line. So without solving the question, through by verification method we have to solve this problem easily. So by verification, this is the shortcut here. Generally, taking any point and find the point, we can get answer. So here easy method is there. Firstly, we have to put point here. I take the option number 1. Point substitute here. Point is what? 3 to 0. So it becomes 3 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 1. Easy to true statement. 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2 is not equal to 1. So this is not our option. Second statement. 3 substitute here. 3 plus 2. Second option. 3 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 5. Okay. So it is satisfied. And also check up line also. Okay, what is the point here? Line point 4, 7, 4. So we should take opposite values. So point is what here? 4 and check up at 4, 7, 4. 4 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 5. No, it is not satisfying at this point only. So this is not equal to 5. Hence it is not our option. Next we are going to third option. Check up the third option. Substitute the point at 3 to 0. 3 plus 2 into 1. Okay. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 0 is equal to 1. Here also it is not satisfying. Third option also not satisfied. Okay, leave it this one. What is the fourth option? Option number 4. Substitute the point. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 2 plus 0 is equal to 5. So here what happened? 6 minus 2 plus 0 is equal to 5. So this is also not satisfied. So what is the problem here? Maybe question somewhere mistake is there. So x here first one, 3 minus 2 minus 1, 0 that is actually, sorry, 3 to 0 no here. Yes, first option observing all of you. 3 minus 2 plus 0 is equal to 1. So it is satisfied. First option satisfied. And also point substitute that. And 4 minus 7 plus 4 is equal to 1. At the point 3 to 0 and 4, 7, 4. So at these 2 points, so here also satisfied. So the answer will be first one only correct. So here mistake done. So don't do that is. So 3 minus 2 plus 0 is equal to 1. So it is satisfied. Hence the answer will be first one. So by verification method we have to do like this. Remaining 3 options are not satisfied. Only first option is satisfied. This is the answer. Otherwise we have to do it. Find the any point here, that point here passing through the plane also. Okay, next we are going to the next problem. Next problem is, if the straight line x minus 1 upon k equals y minus 2 upon 2 equals z minus 3 upon 3 and x minus 2 by 3 equals y minus 3 upon k equals z minus 1 upon 2 intersect at a point, then the value of k in integers. What is the value of k in integers here? Intersect meaning what? They have common point. So line L1, L2 both have common point only asking. So that's why, that means here I would have take these lines are lie on the same plane. Lie on the same plane means what do you call? Collinear points. These are called collinear. So we have to use coplanar condition. So I have to use condition L1 and L2 are coplanar. If L1, L2 are coplanar, what is the condition? Then determinant equal to 0. Determinant of x minus x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 equals 0. This is the condition for coplanar. If two lines are coplanar, we have to use. So using this condition, what are the points here? So points nothing but, here first point is 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the point here, x1, y1, z1. In this case, what is the point? 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. These are the points. What are the DRs? K, 2, 3. For this line, DRs are 3, K, 2. Substitute here. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is also 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. K, 2, 3. K, 2, 3. Okay. Next what? 3K2. 3K2 equals 0. So from this we have to find out determinant. This implies 1 into 4 minus 3k minus 1 bracket 2k minus 9 minus 2 bracket k square minus 6 equals 0. Further simplify this value. Further 4 minus 3k minus, open the bracket, minus 2k plus 9 minus 2k square plus 12 will be 0. Simplify. Minus 2k square taking on right side plus 2k square, k terms, minus 2k taking on right side plus 5k adding constant terms, 4 plus 9. Okay na, 4 plus 9, how much that is? 13. 13 plus 12, 25. Minus 25 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Factorization, find out the k value. Minus 25 into 2 minus 50. We can write 10 into 5 also 50. So I write the factors are 2k square plus 10k minus 5k minus 25 is equal to 0. Taking 2k common, k plus 5 minus 5 taking common, k plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2k minus 5 bracket k plus 5 is equal to 0. So what are the k values? 5 divided by 2 or minus 5. But go through the question asking then integer value of k. Is it an integer? No. So therefore integer meaning k is equal to minus 5, which is belongs to integer. 5 by 2 is not an integer value. Hence our value will be minus 5 is the right answer. Check up, fourth option is the right answer. Cleared this point? Okay, next problem. So intersecting model, coplanar model, this is the condition. We proved theorem, very important. Next, the lines. Next question, observe that. Read the next problem. Two lines are given or coplanar given. Coplanar means same condition we have to apply. Can you do it this problem using same condition? Okay, you solve this problem. Very simple question. Let us see. Points are, can you say the points here? 4.14. Okay, this is the point for this line. Opposite symbols take always. For this line, what are the points? 2, 3, 4. So this is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. So use this formula. So we get determinant of det. So apply the 4 minus 2, x2 minus x1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Next 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Next drs of first line. 1, 1 minus k. Drs of second line. K, 2, 1 equals 0. Cleared? Now simplify determinant value. 2 into 1 plus 2k plus 2 times bracket 1 minus k square means 1 plus k square plus 0 into also becomes 0 here, anything whatever it is, that is 2 minus k. Okay, throughout can you cancel 2? Okay, you cancel this 2 also. Divide by 2. What is the remaining? 1 plus 2k. 1 plus 2k plus 1 plus k square is equal to 0. Can you simplify this one? Once again see here problem. X minus 2, y minus 3, z minus 4. That is 2, 3, 4. X minus 1, y minus 4, z minus 5. Okay na? That is 1, 4. Sorry here 1, 4. Point is 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5 is the point. Now it becomes 1 minus 2. This is minus 1, correct? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Clearly? Now we get wrong here. Now simplify. A minus 1 into 1 plus 2k minus 1 into 1 plus k square plus 1 into 2 minus k equals 0. Open the bracket. This becomes minus 1 minus 2k minus 1 minus k square plus 2 minus k equals 0. So here minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 cancelled. So remaining minus 3k minus k square equal to 0. taking minus k common, 3 plus k is equal to 0. So k values are k is equal to 0 or k is equal to minus 3. This is the answer. Either k equal to 0 or minus 3. Check up your options. This is not correct. So only second option is the right answer. So coplanar condition is very important. For theorem also important. So remember, when there are given intersecting or coplanar given, we have to use this condition enough. Remember formula in Cartesian form. Okay now friends? Okay, now I am going to next question. So again problems are repeated questions. So that is NCERT exemplar questions are given. Distance between the two planes 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 4 and 4x plus 6y plus 8z is equal to 12. Check up all of you whether the given planes either parallel or perpendicular. Parallel condition meaning a1 by a2. Check up a1 by a2 value. 2 divided by 4 is equal to 3 divided by 6 is equal to 4 divided by 8. This is nothing but what? 1 by 2. Hence it is satisfied. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So these lines are parallel. Cleared? So to make it equal terms means here I take this plane 4x plus 6y plus 8z equal to 12. So throughout in this plane equation divide by 2. So divide by 2 we get what is the plane equation? 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to what? 6. So now almost all we get equal values, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient. Okay. If not given in the parallel form, we have to bring like this. Make it always x, y, z coefficients equal. We have to bring this form. Only differ only in constant. Constants are only different. So distance formula. Last class I finished these model questions. Distance between two parallel planes formula, magnitude of d2 minus d1 upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Magnitude of d2 minus d1 upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square. What is the d2? 6 minus d1 4 upon square root of a value 2 square is 4 plus b is equal to 3 square is 9 plus 4 square 16. Simplify 2 upon square root of 29. So this is the answer. 2 upon square root of 29. Okay. Distance between two parallel planes. This is the process. Distance, perpendicular distance formula, magnitude of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So remember all of you formulas must hear. Shall we go next problem? Okay, next question. Planes are given. Two planes given here. 2x minus y plus 4z is equal to 5 and 5x minus 2.5 into y plus 10z is equal to 6 or perpendicular, parallel, intersecting y-axis. Intersecting y-axis means z and 0, that is z and x coordinates are 0, passes through this point. How do you say that two planes are perpendicular? So we have to check this condition. That is what? A1, A2, plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 condition. If it is equal to 0, we have to say very clearly perpendicular. If not satisfying this condition, then we have to check second condition. So A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. So 2 into 5 plus minus 1 into minus 2.5 plus 4 into 10 equals 10. This value becomes plus 2.5, nothing but 5 divided by 2 plus 4 into 10, 40. Okay. So do you get equal to 0? No, this is not equal to 0. Hence, these are not a perpendicular. Now we are going to parallel condition. So second option I am taking. Option number 2. What is the condition? A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. We check this condition now. A1 is what? 2 upon 5 equals minus 1 upon minus 2.5. Okay, I write minus 2.5, nothing but what? 5 by 2 equals 4 upon 10. Simplify 2 upon 5, minus minus cancel. So fraction comes upside, that is 2 by 5 equals 2 by 5. So what do you say that? Equal getting. Hence these lines are what you call? Parallel. Hence given lines are, given planes are parallel, these are. So like we have to check the conditions always. So through verification methods, very important. Parallel or perpendicular or passing through the point. Point means satisfied. Both the planes are satisfied at that point. That is the required answer. Clear? Shall we go? Okay, question number, next question. Read the next problem. Quickly note down all these points at a time. Questions no need to, okay na, write, because in your textbook every question is there. Let us see problem number 39. The coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 2, 5, 7 on the x-axis are given by. On the x-axis, foot of the perpendicular, okay na, on the x-axis, this is the actually x, y, z point here. Okay, so from this foot of the perpendicular drawn like this, just like this. Suppose if we take like this, on x-axis, which coordinates are 0? Which coordinates are 0? Y and z. So what is the point on the x-axis? So what is the point on the x-axis? 0. Y and z are 0. On x-axis, which coordinates are 0? Y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. So point becomes 2, 0, 0 is the answer. Is there a? Yes, this is the answer of the question. In beginning classes, I have given all these points there. Introduction part also there. CET introduction part also, same things I have given. Once again you verify that. Okay, next question. 40. Problem number 40. See the 40, problem number 40. P is a point on the line segment joining 2 points. So I am taking P is a point, the segment AB. What is the point A? A is equal to 3, 2, minus 1. What is the point B? 6, 2, minus 2 given. So point A is what? 3, 2, minus 1. If the x coordinate of P is 5, so Px given. In this, Px is equal to how much given? 5 given. What is asking? Py. So Pz, whatever there. So asking this question, what is the y coordinate here? Remember, whenever x coordinate is given, we need here ratio compulsory. What is the m? What is the n? In generally, they are using section formula directly. From this, we derived one more shortcut formula. Whenever x given, we have to do like this. To find the ratio m is to n, formula, this is x, y, z, x1, y1, z1. So we can use this formula, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x. We have to use this formula, we get ratio value, m is to n value. X is what actually? X is what? 5 given, minus x1 is 3 upon x2 is 6 minus x, that is 5, is equal to 2 divided by 1. This what ratio it divides? 2:1 ratio. So this point P divides in the ratio 2:1 ratio. Whenever one coordinate is given among three values, if one ordinate is given, we to find the any value. Suppose in y given means y minus y1 by y2 minus y. If you feel any difficulty this form, go through the directly section formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n formula applying, we get answer same ratio. Okay, now I am using this one. So now coordinates of which coordinate asking? Py asking, py. So use this formula, section formula now. M is 2 into 2, y coordinates required only 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 2 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 1. This is equal to 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Okay, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, x minus x1 by x2 minus x, or else x1 minus x by x minus x2, whatever it is, same concept. 5, x is a 5 minus 3 divided by 6 minus 5, that is equal to 2:1. We get y coordinate also. Ratio getting first, then after coordinate of y. If you want z coordinate, pz, y z coordinate, same formula applying. 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 1 into minus 1, minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 5 divided by 3. In this problem, he has asked question only y coordinate, means answer will be first option. Okay na? Next problem. See the 41, problem number 41. If alpha, beta, gamma are angles that a line makes with the positive direction of x, y, z axis respectively, then direction cosines of the line are. Okay, this is the definition only. What are the direction cosines? Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. So second option. So theory, describe, that is conceptual basis questions this is. Next problem. See that this is very important. 2 to 3 times given these model problems in exam. The distance of point here from the x-axis. So from the x-axis, already formulas given. So point P already has given A, B, C. On x-axis, what is the point on x-axis? A, 0, 0. Distance asking, PA distance, square root of A minus A, that is 0, plus 0 minus B whole square, B square, 0 minus C whole square is C square. Answer is what? Square root of B square plus C square. You simply remember that x-axis meaning first point A, delete, terminate A value. So what is the answer? Square root of B square plus C square. Distance of point P from the y-axis given. Y-axis means which element is deleted? B deleted. Square root of a square plus c square. This is the answer, y-axis. Z-axis given. Answer, square root of b square plus c square. This is important model. Very simple question also. Very easy. Okay now friends, very simple 3D geometry. Next. The equation of x-axis in space are. So what is the equation? On x-axis, which coordinates are 0? Y and z. So y is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0. So answer, observe that fourth option is there. So what is the answer here? Y is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0. Cleared? Next one. A line makes equal angles with coordinate axis. Direction cosines of the lines are. Theory, very important for one more question actually. So using which result here? Once again I will prove this one. Remember all of you, angles are equal given. Equal angles given. That means alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. Okay, we have the result also. We know that result. We proved that is. What that one? Relation between direction cosines of a line. So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Put alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to alpha. So it becomes 3 cos square alpha is equal to 1. Cos square alpha is equal to 1 by 3. Cos square alpha is equal to answer 1 divided by 3. Cos alpha is equal to plus or minus 1 divided by root 3. Cos alpha meaning what this is? L. It is also equal to m. It is also equal to n. M is equal to n. Therefore, direction cosines are plus or minus 1 by root 3. Plus or minus 1 by root 3 plus or minus 1 by root 3. If sometimes they are asking plus or minus, sometimes may not given also, no problem. We have to remember this is the answer of the question. 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 plus or minus, plus minus symbol. Okay, very important question. Equal angles condition should be remembered. This is the equal angles condition. Okay now friends. Do you remember this? Remember all of you, don't forget, very important result. Next question. Distance of the point alpha, beta, gamma from the y-axis. Same model just now completed. No, A, B, C given here, alpha, beta, gamma given. Y-axis means which coordinates are here? Eliminated y only. Square root of answer alpha square plus gamma square. So what is the answer of this one? Fourth option is the right answer. So just only completed this model. Next. The direction cosine of a line. Next problem, observe that. The direction cosine of a line. Okay. If the direction cosine of a line are k, then which is the suitable condition? So to find out what is the k value, where does it here, k value? So we know the relation no, in terms of direction cosines. So relation between direction cosine of a line is what? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So what is the cos alpha? Cos alpha value is k square plus k square plus k square given. Okay, direction cosines L, M, N, that is okay. L, this is the L, this is the M meaning, this is the N. L, M, N is equal to 1. How many k square there? 3 times. So 3k square is equal to 1. K square is equal to 1 upon 3. K is equal to plus or minus 1 upon root 3. It means what? Either k is equal to 1 by root 3 or k is equal to 1 by plus 1 by root 3. Is there an option? Yes, fourth one is the right answer. Almost all this is making equal angles meaning. Okay, direction cosines are equal here. Excuse. Next question. Distance of the plane. Problem number 47. Distance of the plane. Okay. Distance of the plane r bar dot. So this is r bar dot n cap is equal to 1 from the horizon. Direct standard question. Standard problem given this is. So what is the equation of the plane in the normal form? R bar dot n cap is equal to d. Okay, in vector form. In Cartesian form, Lx plus my plus nz is equal to d. What is the n cap? Normal unit vector. So this is normal unit vector. What is the d? Perpendicular distance from the horizon to the plane. Okay, perpendicular distance of the plane from the horizon. So what is the answer? D is equal to what? 1. Already it is in the standard form. Remember, very easy this is. Answer is first option. Got it? That is first option only answer. Remember all theory things. Next question. So this model, angles model problem started again. Already finished this model questions. Once again you see the sine of the angle between the straight lines, two lines between the straight line and the plane. Line and plane given, what is the angle formula? In terms of sine or cosine, casa? Sine, remember. Line, plane given. So what are the values? This is the L. This is M. This is N. What are the ABC? This is equal to A, this is equal to B, this is equal to C. ABC are there. Formula sin theta is equal to magnitude of A into L plus B into M plus C into N upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square into square root of L square plus M square plus N square. This is angle between line and plane in terms of sine. Now use the formula magnitude of 2 into 3, 6 plus minus 2 into 4 minus 8 plus 1 into 5 plus 5 divided by square root of A square 4 plus minus 2 whole square plus 1 square into square root of 3 square plus 4 square 16 plus 5 square is equal to how much this value? 6 plus 5 11. 11 minus 8 3 divided by square root of 9 3 into square root of 50. 3 cancelled one time. This is equal to 1 upon square root of 50, 25 into 2. So 5 root 2. This is the answer. Is there a 5 root 2? Is there? No. Is there? See here, this is also how to write, or else multiplying and dividing by root 2. This becomes square root of 2 divided by 5 into 2, 10. Okay? So he has given in the other way. So you have to find out compulsory. Sir, 1 upon 5 root 2 not there in option, so problem is wrong. Don't think like that. So it is there. We have to see. Cleared angle between line and plane model questions. Already we done 2-3 problems last class. Next question. The reflection of the point alpha, beta, gamma in the xy plane is. So this is given in exam also. Same question. Already I completed. Reflection meaning what? Image. Okay. Image asking what is the image of this point. Last class formula also given. What is the condition here? Alpha minus x1 by a is equal to beta minus y1 by b is equal to gamma minus z1 by c. Image formula condition, that is minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 upon a square plus b square plus c square. Using this formula, point is alpha, beta, gamma. This is nothing but x1, y1, z1 here. Okay, so that's why already we used, means let us take the other point here instead of this one. H, K, L take here. Okay, don't confuse in this problem. People are confused here only. Now xy plane, what is the meaning of xy plane? Z is equal to 0. This means how to write plane equation form? 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 1 into z equals 0. This is called equation of the plane. Using this condition, we have to find h minus alpha by a 0 is equal to k minus beta by y1 b 0 equals L minus z1 gamma by c 1 is equal to minus 2 times, substitute here 0 into x1, that is alpha, 0 plus 0 into beta, 0 plus gamma into 1 gamma divided by a square 0 square plus 0 square plus 1 square. This is nothing but what? That is equal to minus 2 gamma. Now equating first and last term. H minus alpha by 0 equals minus 2 gamma. H minus alpha is equal to 0. H is equal to what? Catch. H is equal to alpha. Similarly, equating second term, last term. K minus beta by 0 equals minus 2 gamma. K minus beta equals 0. K is what? Beta. Got it? K value. And gamma value, L value. L minus gamma by 1 is equal to minus 2 gamma. L minus gamma is equal to, that is L is equal to minus 2 gamma plus gamma. So what is the L value? Minus gamma. Therefore, what is the point here? Therefore, image nothing but reflection, that is alpha, beta minus gamma. So remember, reflection of the point alpha, beta, gamma with respect to xy plane is alpha, beta minus gamma. Xy plane reflected only this point. Similarly, with respect to yz plane, with respect to zx plane, we can easily say that no answer. Minus alpha, beta, gamma, alpha minus beta, gamma. Like we have to try the different variation questions always. Variated, simple variation is there. You do like the problems always. Cleared? Next problem. I hope that you may understand these model problems. Remember conditions. What is the next question? Read all of you. This is little area model question. Area problems, sometimes they are asking in exam. We don't have particular things in this. Related questions always asking in exam. Okay? Take the problem is what? Read once. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So this is the quadrilateral, any quadrilateral like this. I take the points A, B, C, D. What is the point A? 0, 4, 1. What is the point B? 2, 3, minus 1. Point C? 4, 5, 0. Point D? 2, 6, 2 given. So find the area. total area, how to find out? This is nothing, I take the one bisector, that is diagonal. So what do you say, that this whole total area we want? So that's why, so area is equal to area of quadrilateral ABCD. Tell me what is the formula, how to calculate? Area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to what? Area of, this is a triangle, no, these two are triangles. Area of triangle ABC, correct? So this is nothing but area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. ACD, is it correct? So this is nothing but actually half into, using vector method, half into AB cross AC, okay? Of vector method if you want, AB cross AC plus half into AC cross AD. So using vector method, this is the formula. Without using vector method, can you do it? Yes, we can do it, this problem. How? Area of the triangle ABC, 3 points, formula is there. Okay na? x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x1, y1. Formula is there, area formula. So many people, they are following det model, the determinant formula is also there. Okay, now I am finding the AB cross AC, magnitude of AB cross AC, AC cross AD, magnitude of AC cross AD. Okay, so now I am finding directly AB cross AD, AB cross AC using determinant method. First I, J, K vector find out. I vector, J vector, K vector. AB, what is the AB value? Observe that. AB, these 2 points. 2 minus 0. Okay, 2. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 3 minus 4, cleared? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. This is the AB vector. OB minus OA with respect to horizon. AC vector. AC vector, this is 4 minus 0, 4. 4 is the first one. Next, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 0, 4, 1, no? Okay, 5 minus 4, that is what? 1. AC vector this is. 0 minus 1, minus 1. This is the AC vector. So AB vector, AC vector, got it. This is equal to I cap into 1 plus 2, 3, correct? 1 plus 2 minus J, you know very well this point, minus 2 plus 6 plus 8, minus 2 minus 2, this is plus 8, that is what? 6 plus K into 4 plus 2, 2 plus 4, that is also 6. AB cross AC, got it, no? Next, what is required? AC cross AD. This magnitude also required. AB cross AC is equal to square root of 3 square plus 6 square plus 6 square, that is equal to square root of 81, that is equal to 9. Okay, it is over. This value, got it, 1 by 2 into 9 plus nothing but 9 by 2, right, directly. This is 9 by 2. Next, what is required? AC cross AD required. AC cross AD. Determinant of AC, already we got it, no? 4, 1, minus 1. So, okay. Time is reduced in this case. Risk is reduced. 4, 1, minus 1. Next, AD, A and D, these 2 points. Okay, AD, that is 2 minus 0 is 2. Next one, 6 minus 4, that is also 2. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Get this answer. This is equal to I cap into 1 plus 2, 3 minus J into 4 plus 2, 6 plus k cap into 4 to 8 minus 2 6. Magnitude, find out magnitude of AC cross AD is equal to square root of 3 square plus minus 6 whole square plus 6 whole square. This is also nothing but square root of 81, nothing but 9. We got this value is also 9 by 2. 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 is equal to 9 square units. Is there in our answer? Yes, the first one is the right answer. You can use any method, not only follow this method but also you follow geometrical method is there. Area of any quadrilateral is given, area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Use this formula, we can get either vector method or geometry method. Clear this question? Okay, next problem. The question number 51. The locus, noted this problem? Note down all of you. Next question is, read. The locus represented by xy plus yz is equal to 0 is. So conditions are given. What is the option number 1? A pair of perpendicular lines. A pair of perpendicular lines. A pair of parallel lines. A pair of parallel planes. A pair of perpendicular planes. Okay, here lines concept not there. Maximum plane only given. Locus is what? Xy plus yz is equal to 0. Shall we take common? Yes, we have y is common. Y into x plus z is equal to 0. We get y is equal to 0 or else x plus z equals 0. Is it a line? No, this is plane equation in terms of x, y, z given, no. So in 2D it is a line, but in 3D it is a plane. So y is equal to 0, how to write? 0 into x plus 1 into y plus 0 into z is equal to 0. This is the first plane. From this, how to write? 1 into x plus 0 into y plus 1 into z equal to 0. Check the condition. So already these two not our options. Only planes we have to check, either parallel or perpendicular. Perpendicular condition is what? Now we have to check a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 c1 c2. a1 a2 0 into 1 is 0 plus 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0. So is equal to what? 0. Hence equation 1 is perpendicular to equation 2. Clearly we get answer, very close answer. This is a pair of perpendicular planes. So this is also not correct. Okay, so like we have to solve this problem. Planes given. This locus is called nothing but what? Represents a pair of perpendicular planes. Next question. Again one more question given in terms of angles. Angles model, this is also. A plane 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 11 is equal to 0. Minus 11 is equal to 0 makes an angle's sine inverse of alpha with x-axis. Okay, alpha angle is given, theta is given. Theta equal to what? Sine inverse. What is the value of alpha? What is the alpha value? Okay. So theta is equal to what? Sine inverse alpha. This is. So we have to find out alpha value. Formula sine theta is equal to, we know that magnitude of AL plus BM plus CN upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square into square root of L square plus m square plus n square. Okay. Now from this magnitude of A, B, C values, first of all observe that a plane, so this is the A, B, C, x-axis. So here a plane makes an angles with the line here. X-axis, on x-axis what are the direction ratios? 1, 0, 0. In this case line given, meaning line 1, 0, 0. This is a plane, this is a line. So what are the DRs of a line? On x-axis 1, 0, 0. This is also 1, 0, 0. So substitute here 2 into 1. Okay, magnitude of 2 into 1 plus minus 3 into 0 plus 6 into 0 divided by square root of a square. What is the a value? 2 square, that is 4, plus minus 3 whole square plus 6 whole square into square root of 1 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 2 divided by square root of 49, that is 7. So theta is equal to what? Sine inverse of 2 divided by 7. So now what is the alpha value? Alpha is equal to 2 divided by 7. So this is the problem. See the next, any question is there? Over. So okay. So these are the questions in 3-dimensional plane. So we have to practice firstly theory part, all theory, theorems, lines, theorems, problems, theorems and problems, planes, theorems and problems. I explained all those things. So we have to learn each and every point. Then we have to go through the NCERT textbook problems, that is NCERT exemplar questions. Next CET problems, one by one with shortcuts we have to learn. Okay. So next part we have to see the next video. Thank you.